Is it the right time to make a decision on buying or selling DraftKings stock? In this video, we will dive deep into DraftKings. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. In our analysis since January 18, 2024, we have ranked DraftKings as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.09. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a significant gain of 18.73% since we first listed DraftKings as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.85% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.56% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return on investment falls within a range of -11.04% to 13.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 97.48% change anticipated over the next 12 months. The potential return on investment is estimated to be between 46.32% and 98.28%. This means that the price could range from $65.21 to $88.37 after a year. Our latest update for DraftKings brings good news: Green Day on Friday for DraftKings. On the last trading day, Friday, February 16, 2024, the DraftKings stock price gained 0.247%, rising from $44.46 to $44.57. This marks its third consecutive day of gains. We're excited to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $41.76 and a high of $45.62, a 9.24% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by 7.17%, with increases in 8 out of the last 10 days. Additionally, the trading volume also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 14 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $1.48 billion in trades. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $45.62, while the lowest price was $17.02. Currently, the price is 2.3%, or $1.05, below the 52-week high, and 40.08%, or $29.81, below the all-time high on March 22, 2021, when the price reached $74.38. Today, we will be discussing analyst ratings for DKNG. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Piper Sandler gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. Similarly, on the same day, Needham gave DKNG an underperform grade with a hold action. Moving back to Friday, January 19, 2024, UBS also gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. Going further back to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, BMO Capital gave DKNG an outperform grade with an initialize action. Lastly, on Tuesday, December 26, 2023, UBS once again gave DKNG a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given DraftKings stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for DraftKings stock. The stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further confirming a general buy signal. On corrections down, there is support from the lines at $43.63 and $38.28. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 38.37%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for DraftKings. Let's start with the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level at $38.46 and $37.54. When a stock is testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For DraftKings, the next support levels would be at $38.46 and $37.54. If those levels are also broken, the stock may find support at $35.07. Now, let's talk about the risk. DraftKings has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which puts the risk at a medium level. In the last day, the stock moved $3.86 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 9.24% of its value. Looking at the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.21%. Before we explore potential trading levels for DraftKings, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. One such data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, giving us insights into its valuation. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. While it's common for established companies to face temporary downturns due to external factors, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024, which is scheduled to be released on May 2, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for DraftKings. Currently, there is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could potentially move upward quickly under favorable conditions. If this is the case, it might be a good opportunity to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, DraftKings faces its first support level at $38.46. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for DraftKings from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 13, 2024, Walden Marnie M. conducted an insider buy of 439 shares of Class A common stock. On February 13, 2024, Walden Marnie M. conducted another insider buy, this time of 439 shares of restricted stock units. On February 13, 2024, Walden Marnie M. made an insider sell of 439 shares of restricted stock units. On February 13, 2024, Sloan Harry conducted an insider buy of 322 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on February 13, 2024, Sloan Harry made an insider buy of 322 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 3.000. In total, insiders have purchased 4,148,076 shares and sold 3,812,173 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $43.01, which is a decrease of 3.5%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 31 days ago. Should you buy DraftKings stock? DraftKings is showing positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it's a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. However, after analyzing the volatility in movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For Tuesday, February 20th, we expect DraftKings to open with a decrease of $0.587 and start trading at $43.98. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. Also, what target do you have in mind for this stock? Let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.